Na-expose namin yan, well, thank God na natigil yung child labor na yan, na-expose yan sa bandang South yan. I'm very excited. Nung marinig ko magkakaroon at nakita ko yung trailer pa lang, tuwan-tuwa na ako eh. So ngayon, I was jumping up and down. As masaya ako dahil nabuhay ulit siya ng pelikula. And nakakatuwa, walang AI to. Ladies and gentlemen, digitally remastered only. No AI. So, ito mapapanood yung as is to, where is, as is. Kaya maganda po panoorin. This movie was like 26 years ago. And ang relevance nito, well, hindi lang ito child labor ang ini-expose natin dito. No? Kundi yung pagmamahal din sa kalikasan. Yung pagmamahal natin, pag-iingat natin sa karagatan. So sa mga kabataan, they had to know this. They had to be aware of the situation. Na-expose namin yan, well, thank God na natigil yung child labor na yan, na-expose yan sa bandang South yan. Child labor, bakit bata? Kasi madaling manduhan ng bata, konti ang pagkain. Yung mga parents kasi noon, mahihirap lang sila, yung family noon eh. During that time, kasi ito, naging prevalent itong klaseng fishing during 60s, 70s, yan, to 80s yan, meron yan. Nakasanayan na, naging tradition na yung ganyan. Alam mo ang kasalanan kapag naging tradition, nagiging normal na eh. Just like lying, Yan ang ironic nun eh. So, but it has to stop. Somebody has to stop it. Yung preparation for the movie, yung workout, ang workout ko rito, 6. Walang halong exaggeration to. Walang halong pambubola. It's 6 days a week ako nag-workout. And ang diet ko, no salt, no sugar, no oil. Every day for 6 months. Siyempre, nag-prepare ako ng 3 months. Tapos mag-shooting kami. During the shooting, I have to maintain the body. So, I have to continue the diet and the workout. Para yung katawan ko, consistent yung itsura, di ba? So yun ang hirap nun. Yun yung hindi ko makakalimutan. Plus yung nasa dagat ka ng napakahabang panahon.